everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. We're at Toronto Pearson Airport Enterprise here. We're going to take a look at some of the cars they have available. Again, my name is Kevin. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. And we'll start things off here with a Volvo cross-country wagon. And we got one of these GLC 300 Mercedes. Again, thanks to one of the subscribers who helped me out with that, trying to keep track of all these Mercedes here. We got a Cadillac XT5, and I think these are the A220 Mercedes. Oh boy, we got a couple of these Cadillac XT5s here. And we got a BMW X3, I believe that is. We've got a Jaguar SUV, one of the Range Rovers, Mercedes C300, we got a Mazda 6. This is kind of the returns, but they do have cars parked here. Some of these might be out of state, like this Hyundai Kona electric. Got a, oh boy, I'm drawing a blank. It's been a long day. Nissan Maxima, thank you. Okay, and then we got another, I think an X3 here. 330i, BMW, Mercedes. And sorry about that, we'll just continue on here. Chrysler 300. Got a Durango with a Hemi, another 300. Got a couple pickup trucks. We got a bunch of returns over there, and we'll just kind of slide over the aisle over here. We got a Camry, Audi Q3. That's another one I kind of have a hard time telling the 3 versus the 5. I know the 5s are bigger. Yeah, we got another Q3 beside it. Another 300 over here, Chrysler 300S, Nissan Maxima SL. Another 300 coming in here. Got a Ford Edge, Hyundai, Kia, another these Hyundai Konas, a Jeep Rubicon, Wrangler. Those are the ones with the big wheels. I wouldn't mind trying one of those sometime. We got a Mitsubishi, another BMW 330i, Ford Edge. We've got a Chevy Equinox, another Kia SUV. And what are we going to do here? Let's go up the other side of Enterprise, and then we'll come back to those on the end there. Another Ford Escape. Is that a Santa Fe, or is that? I think that, I'm pretty sure this is Santa Fe. It's not a Palisade. Palisade would be a little bit bigger. Let's just do a quick peek here. Santa Fe, yep. We got another Wrangler here. And we got a RAV4, a couple of RAV4s, Hyundai. Got another RAV4. And we got a Chevy Equinox. And that Chrysler 300. And we'll just wrap up this Enterprise video with a couple that got parked down at the end here. This is just kind of more overflow reserve. We got a couple Ford Escapes. We got a Ford Edge. And we got a Chevy Equinox. Got a Hyundai Kona. And then this, so this is actually the Passat. So I gotta try and pay attention here. So the Passat is definitely, it's got a bigger wheelbase than the Jetta. Try and keep that in mind. Hopefully I can get that right in future videos. We got a Ford Edge and a Chevy Trailblazer. And we got a Hyundai SUV, Kia. A couple of these Kia Souls. And I think we're gonna wrap things up here. All right, thanks again for watching, everyone. Thanks for everybody who's subscribed. Just past 900, on our way to 1,000. And I'll see you guys in the next video.